guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I've been seeing a lot of YouTube that they use a pencil to curl your hair. So I did this in the morning. This side right here, this is curled with just only a pencil, and this side is not curled. This is my natural and this is curled. So the only thing you're going to need is, of course, a heat protectant spray, so because we're using heat in your hair, you don't want your hair to be burnt, and a brush so you can brush your hair, and a straightener. So my straightener's on. This is the type of straightener that I have. That's all, and a pencil that you're gonna need, and of course a spray. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Elegant Lightening Spray, a very good spray. You can use any spray you guys have. But what I love with this one is that it doesn't leave your hair sticky or anything. It's just, and it smells good. So only that, and of course a few little clippies so you can clip your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna do the first one. I'm gonna get this one out of the way so it doesn't combine with my other hair, and I'm just gonna brush it. I already added my heat protectant spray, so if you haven't added that, go ahead and do that. So the first thing is to grab a piece of hair like this. Doesn't have to be that huge, because if it is huge then it's not going to work. If I'm looking this way, is that I have my mirror here. So I'm going to grab like about this much of hair. Now what you want to do, now when you use the pencil, do not use the metal thingy, just use of this stuff, not the metal where the eraser is, because then you don't want your hair to be messed up. So I'm gonna put my pencil like this, and I'm just gonna twist my hair into the pencil. Oops. Just twist it like this, and we're gonna grab our straightener, and we're just going to go like this, put the straightener in the pencil just for a little bit, not too much, like this. Now if you're new using a straightener, I recommend using a glove so you don't burn yourself, but if you're not, then you can just do it how I'm doing it. And after you finish, you're just gonna let it go, and voila, look at that. Isn't that cute? And we're just gonna put it in the side, and I'm gonna fast forward this part because I'm gonna do this side of my hair, and I will see you guys after I'm finished. Okay guys, so I am done, and this is what it looks like. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this side go, and now the only thing you have to do is just grab, you know, your fingers. Do it nice and slow, don't do it too fast, because that's gonna look ugly then. So just run your fingers through your hair, make it nice and beautiful. And grab the side here and combine it with the other hair. Now we're going to be using the spray just to finish off the look. Do it on top. Finish off the look. And it's nice and finished, and now you can leave it like that Or if you want, you can do like a nice do or a little poof on top, or you know, if your hair is sideways like that, you can do something like this. Just grab a little bobby pin and push that up a little bit, if that's kind of your style, which I'm gonna do that. So let me go grab some bobby pins. Okay, I grabbed 2 bobby pins. So fold your hair, do the hair sideways like this, push it up a little bit, and bobby pin it. You can use 1 or 2, it doesn't really matter. I use 2 just for secure. So there you go. This is the pencil curl. It is so awesome. I was on denial if I wanted to try it or not, because kind of look kind of awesome on other people, but you know, everybody has different hair. But anyways, I hope you guys like this tutorial. It was super easy to do and it didn't take that long to do. So I really like how it looks. It looks pretty cute. Now my hair, when it dries, it doesn't get curly like this. So I really do like this. This is pretty cute. I love it. It's cute. So I hope you guys love this tutorial. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials ideas. And thanks for the new subscribers who subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. And also push that notification bell so you guys won't miss none of my videos. And if you guys, you know, try it out. I mean, it's super easy with the pencil, or even with chopsticks, whatever you have laying around. But I find it pretty cute with the pencil. So yeah, so if you guys have like it, you know, give it a try and see if it works for your hair. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Stay beautiful, smile, have a wonderful day today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh